1545, Margarita was expecting a child with her husband, Jorge Walser. During childbirth, she experienced intense pain, and despite the efforts of her mother and the midwives, something went terribly wrong. They heard a cracking sound, and the baby stopped moving. Despite their attempts, they couldn't extract the baby or the placenta. Days passed, and the pain continued. Margarita sought the help of the best doctors of the time, but the treatments were ineffective. Resigned, she decided to let nature take its course, enduring the pain of carrying a dead child in her womb for 5 long years. 5 years passed until a surgeon agreed to operate. The surgery took place on November 12, 1550. To everyone's surprise, Margarita quickly recovered and regained her health. Many doubted her story, considering it a myth. However, there is a plausible explanation for her experience: an abdominal ectopic pregnancy. The baby may have implanted in the abdominal cavity, explaining why it never passed through the birth canal. Join us to discover more incredible stories from the past. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends.